Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am opening up the new Serenity collection by Cheaply Chic, and unfortunately she sold out on these. She said she put them up and they were gone within like several minutes or something. I can't remember exactly how long she said, but this looks like an amazing collection. I just pulled it out of the packaging, and it has a huge kit from Yalady. It's from what I know she has a YouTube channel, but she hasn't put videos out. But she is friends with Lynette, who is Cheaply Chic, and she has sent her items to put in her kits before. So I think that's awesome. So it comes with normally the book, the little letter here, and then the ephemera pack, and then this time the lady included a second pack to put in it. So this looks awesome. So I am going to go ahead and I'll read this letter off camera, but it has beautiful artwork on it as usual, and it's called Serenity. And then let's open up this book. Really pretty washi tape there. It's really sticky, so I try to save it usually, but it's ripping there. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. I love it. Has some embroidered like doily on top of some muslin, and then this really gorgeous floral paper has some beautiful seam binding, and then here she has a fabric ruffle on top of some green fabric, and then the Serenity sign there, and there's the back. I love it. So pretty. She did some stitching across there with some contrasting green, and then she stitched it all the way around on there. So that's awesome. And then here's what the book looks like. And it just has several dyed papers. There's that heart paper, I love that. Some book pages in there, lined papers. So that's what the base book looks like. And now, let's see, I'll go through Yalady's package here. This has a ton of stuff in it. Can't believe this. Wow, this little pack, and there's lots of different tags in there and some chalkboard labels. That's awesome. It's another bag, and this has some wallpaper samples. That's awesome. I really would love to be able to find vintage wallpaper somewhere. Like just when I'm out shopping, when we can go shopping, you know, like at antique mall or thrift store or something like that. I know I could go probably find some on Etsy, but oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is beautiful. Another little baggie. And this has, ooh, neat stickers. All kinds of butterfly and floral stickers. Wow. That's awesome. Here's another bag. I love all these little tiny bags. Ooh, wow. So here's some little jewels and flowers, and then some paper clips and charms. Wow. And then some rhinestones. Very cool. And then here, oh, cool. Some Trivial Pursuit cards. Little bag. Here's a little envelope with a window. That's really cool. Some more vellum envelope or glassine envelope and a glassine bag. And then a little note card. And then here are some more stickers. Some really pretty doilies. Another doily there. Bird book page. This is some paper. That's, wow, a long paper. Some more, oh, this looks like wrapping paper. Very cool. And then book pages. It's a floral book page. And here's another book page. Very cool. This is a dictionary page, another floral page. Very cool. This is a recipe book page. And then here is the music page. Very nice. Love that. Thank you, lady. I don't know if she watches my videos, but that's awesome. And then here is the ephemera pack from Lynette. Alright, so here is the little charm bookmark that she makes for every book, every collection. And here is the fibers and yarns and threads and things. And then in here, there's a little envelope. That's pretty cool. And there's a couple paper clips in there. Here's some rhinestones and pearl flatbacks. Here's a little bundle here that has a vintage playing card, a tag, and then this has more tags and tickets. And then there are some paper clips in there, some punch outs and flowers, and a little glassine, little tiny envelope. Super cute. Touch that. I absolutely love the color combination of this one, pink and green. Here is a really pretty little bundle of, she has a cupcake liner with a doily, and then on top of that is the butterfly. I love that. And then in here there are some tags, a guest check. She stamped that one. That's beautiful. There's a blue one. Oh, that's new. I love that. In that paper. And then there is some really cool envelopes in here. Here's one that has, kind of looks like you could put a money, like a gift card in there. That's cool. And then here is a label that's pink. Another, like a mini disc. That is so cute. I love that. And then the library card pocket and the library card. She always usually has that in there. Those are some a new different, you know, so there's some new things in there that are really cool. So very nice. Love that. This is awesome. I love that butterfly. And then this super pretty napkin. I always love decoupaging napkins. There is this netting. It's like a tulle circle, a pink envelope, and then here is one of the papers that she included. That is really pretty. And then here's another one. Oh, that's neat. It has an old-fashioned car on there. And then this is like an old-fashioned newspaper print on the back. Here is some wrapping paper. That's pretty. This is, it looks like a language. I don't know what that language is, but it it has one word and then translation. Here is like a garden. You know the cards that you collect monthly? My mom used to get them. So that's what that looks like. It's from a dictionary page, a floral book page, very cool. And then this music sheet. Or no, there's one music sheet here and then an ideals page, the bells of Easter. So that's cool. Awesome. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to get started on this. So be looking for another video to come soon where I'll start working in my book, and we'll just work with the stuff here. It's going to be plenty to put together this journal, if not make another journal with it. So I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I continue to pray for everyone, and I just love that you are watching my video. Just leave me a comment, say how you're doing, and I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.